Howdy y'all, this is Dwight and welcome back to my channel. Here is a pocket knife I finished. I actually finished it last week and I forgot to video it, so here it is finally. This is my first dogleg jack pattern. I think it's really neat. I really like the lines of it. Of course, the spine of it here has that little dog leg in it there. Gives it the dogleg jack name, to the best of my understanding. And I love how the blade flows into the handle there. And the squared off portion of the blade there is nicely just barely seated there in between the handle scales. So like if it's in your pocket, that ain't going to catch on anything and rip your pocket if you accidentally drag it out in a hurry and whatnot. The handle is 3 5/8 inches long when it's closed, and the overall length is right at 6.5 inches. The blade and back spring is CPM 154. I did a 400 grit hand finish on it, 400 grit belt finish on the swedges, just a little bit different in contrast and finishes. Has stainless steel liners, nickel silver pins, and I did a bird's eye style pivot, and I used a stainless bushing and with a nickel silver hinge pin. So it's subtle, but there's a little bit of a contrast in the different materials there. Did a 400 grit belt finish on the back spring. Nice smooth action. Nice medium pull. Snappy and yet smooth, I think. Oh, and the handle scale material is red burlap micarta. I dare say I'm going to be making several more of these along the way because I really enjoy this pattern. Anyhow, I appreciate you stopping by and taking a look at this pocket knife. Until next time, y'all take care.